They're up here probably.
Festival of the Arts. Oh, they got some.
I think we bought.
Goofy already at home. And Goofy at home.
You said Minnie.
Oh, no, I'm pretty sure I said Mickey and Goofy. And pin number 1 is a duplicate.
Hard to open.
Hard to open? Sorry, people.
What do we got? What do we got?
And it is
Goofy.
Another Goofster. So we got a trader. Right, that's what Goofy looks like. We already got him.
And this one is Mickey.
And another trader. We got him already too. But I like him.
Now which one do we want to do next?
Keep one of these boxes too.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. What's the odds of getting Goofy and Mickey at the same?
In the same pack. We got Chip.
Oh, we got Chip. That's new. So that's Chip. Mickey.
I think it's part of it.
And
Goofy.
Minnie.
And Minnie.
Whatever looks unique.
We only need Dale, Daisy, and Donald. And Pluto.
Yay. So we got 2 traders, so maybe we can consider trading the Minnie and Goofy.
Mickey.
Mickey and Goofy. See, that time I did say Minnie.
Pretty sure you did it again. And then we got this one
And then we
next.
got Figment.
These are not going to be traders.
Let's see. Which ones? Oh, they seem like decent sized pins. Those are the packs we can get. These are the ones we can get for Goofy. Or for the Mickey Street signs. So we got 4 out of the 8.
Let's see. It's a pink one. We got the first one.
Show the camera. So that's the one we got.
And then we got
The yellow one.
the yellow one in the first row. They're decent sized pins.
Yes. But at least with our first pack, you know you're probably not going to get a duplicate.
I like it.
This is... Oh, looks like it got smeared a little. It might be the weight. Some of these look like they've been here for a little bit.
Yeah.
Here's a new one being made right now. So that's what she's drawing.
Yeah.
That's, look at that one. She's just starting, it looks like. Wow. Allie. to go around the festival show place. This is they recently just redid this area.
It's just trying to make sure you're keeping together these squares.
Doing that
This one I have been doing.
animation economy.
This pattern is not in middle school. This was one
I'd never be able to do it.
that I started experimenting.
What are they?
A couple different variations of it, but I do.
He's doing the one up there.
Well, I don't know. You're not doing a character.
A line on the inside because I try not to have. I want all of this.
No, you can sit.
Be the same, so I have to do this line.
So you be very detailed.
Yeah.
So yeah, that one little pattern should look something like that. So you can see the difference. We're doing a squiggly line to actually put the time into it. So we'll go ahead and
$20.
maybe so then we can
I like
get on to
them.
the piping.
This is a shirt.
Over here, I'm gonna do this whole. I'm gonna do this whole thing another pattern so we can get Mickey all together. And just use
This is a figment.
as best you can. Adjust if you need to be adjusted on the outline. And we'll
I
Oh, I like
finish it up.
that.
So you should almost have the Mickey
It's
outline.
like
This is when I do it. I mean, I usually have some.
Oh.
I usually am kind of.
Now you can
that's
see
why I've learned it.
what he's drawing.
At the same time, sometimes
Look on the TV.
because the lines are so.
He's like doing a Mickey face, but then making details.
Yeah.
Breathing techniques. I usually even breathe.
I like this coat. Is this like the one I got? Except the image is on the back.
Yeah.
It just goes.
Yeah.
It just goes to kind of show.
I like that too.
You know, you can do if you try.
But yeah, the image is just on the back instead of
Or I would have never been able to do it just because you got to make sure
Oswald.
that your lines are as straight as can be. When you're doing it, there's no right or wrong way. Some people have their own technique of doing these.
They actually work in the Disney.
detect.
There's a lot of different terms that
Oh, I kind
come
of
out.
like those though.
Yeah.
You know, I used to love that Doolittle Highlights magazine where it's Waldo, Magic Eyes, and I basically just kind of combined it.
Allie's gonna do some painting. Look at the.
Sorry?
No, you're okay.
3 squares with a number on top.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
3
Oh,
squares of
Got number 4.
I got 2. You want pink?
Okay, pink, you take 4. I need the brush though.
There you go. So 3 numbers.
Yep. There we go. We got them reach them.
Whoa. Allie's painting.
I'm sorry, how many am I supposed to?
Are you gonna reach?
I gotta pick up pencils while we work. Hello, you could have helped us, like.
It looks good.
Yeah, you're.
That's what Allie did. Did you have fun?
I had fun. I want to do it again.
So this is what we did.
Coming out of
It's a postcard. Now we got the risotto,
the mushroom risotto.
mushroom risotto that's from the Festival of the Arts. What do you think of it?
It looks good. Smells mushroomy.
Huh?
Smells mushroomy.
I'm gonna take a quick bite. Not bad.
Hello, mushroom.
Really good. Yeah, I would hope it's hot.